7 abantu bayabuza kwi-comments bayatsho tata bathi ndinesimnyama ndifunwa bathi abanye andicacelwanga emsebenzini hlola bathakathi khona into ayithethileyo baprofeti wathi kungenxa yobukhulu obulapha ngaphakathi kuwo wathi bubo buprovoke amadimoni bubo obubangela bamba u-attract izinto ezinzima kangaka kodwa wathi kudingeka ukuthi uphakame wathi ubomi will never give you what you deserve kodwa you need to fight ukuze ufumane izinto ozideservayo.
Every greatness attract two things.
Yes.
It attracts hate and it attracts hell.
Yes.
2H that is attracted by your greatness. But again zakakuthi most of the time the hate becomes more than the hell. Kuba wena usize kakhulu kodwa wena usizo naliza kuwe lififiyele libe lincane. Ngikhuluma nabantu abasemakhaya bathi ave ngibasiza abantu. Abanye basize bagcine bajike bayizitha zakho. Uthi usiza umuntu kanti usiza inyoka. Most of the time the people who help they dig our grave. Iminqunya noma amathuna wethu agujwa ngabantu esibasizi. You know kunento engiyinotisile ukuthi when we speak about greatness the generation ekhona when they want to be great they want to erase you and come up. Abathi sinqwenela kubusa nawe kodwa bathi wena mawuphele kubuse bona. Lithi iBhayibheli ulungisa itafula phambi kwezitha zakho bese athi indebe yami yachitha. Ngifuna wazi ukuthi noJosepha abafowabo bamfaka emgodini bangazi ukuthi bampreparela kuba iprime minister. So the more our enemies it's the more God prepares more tables.
Oh yes.